Welcome to Dance with Oleg app. Today I would like to explain you chassses in cha-cha-cha. So what is the number one chasse? So chasse is what we dance when we do cha-cha on the count cha-cha or four and. So first is called right, left, right, side chasse. It looks like this. Right, left, right. Some people call it cha-cha to the side. So let's try again. So you go right, left, right. So it refers to the legs we move. So first we move right leg, then we have left leg, then we have right leg. And it's most important for you here to understand the structure of the step and the main action. So what is the structure of the step? So we are moving to the side, we have a side step, we have another side step, we have another side step. And what is the main action? It's of course your body action and your hip action. Before each step, you move your body ahead of the step, body ahead of the step, body ahead of the step. So it's right, left, right, side chasse. So let's do the same reverse angle. So we have a right, left, right chasse. One more time. And right, left, right chasse. Okay, the second chasse we're going to learn today is going to be left, right, left chasse. It looks like this. So we're going left, right, left. So one more time. So we're going to move to my left right now. Left, right, left. And of course, what it refers to the steps we use. So we use our left leg to take a side step, and we use our right leg to close, and we use our left leg to land. Left, right, left chasse. Left, right, left. And again, in a simple way, people call it chasse to the side. Side, chasse. Let's do exactly the same reverse angle. And left, right, left. And one more time. Left, right, left. So what is the most important action? It's again, understanding our legs, our feet, that our leg moving left, our right leg closing, our left leg replacing to the side, and now understanding the main actions, which I explain, of course, later on in more details, but just to already program ourselves. Our body move first, then the leg, then hip, body, then the leg, then hip, body, then leg, then hip. So I'll demonstrate again. Cha, ah, cha, ah, cha. Okay, so next one is a right, left, right chasse forward. Or simply people call it lag step forward. So it goes like this. Right, left, right. So what is the step structure? We're using our right leg to step forward. We're using our left leg to cross. This is called Latin cross position. And here we'll use our right leg to go slightly on the side, just slightly diagonally forward. So we're not staying the same leg. So again, right, left, right, chasse forward, or like step. Let's do the same with the reverse angle. So we have a right, left, right, chasse. And one more time. And a right, left, right chasse. So what is the key point here? To understand, first of all, this structure of the step, that we have our right leg forward, left leg crossing behind on the ball of the foot, right leg continues forward. So this is the structure, and then main action, in a way, formula. So body, leg, hip, body, leg, hip, body, leg, hip. So I'll do it a little bit faster. So you always move your body, leg, then hip, body, leg, then hip, body, leg, then hip. Then your body flows. So we never want to be just doing steps. So let's do exactly the same reverse angle. So right, left, right chasse, or we can say lock, step, front chasse. Now, what is the next chasse? Next chasse, it's exactly the same, but we call left, right, left chasse forward, which is exactly the same. We're just going to start with our left leg. So you're going left, right, left chasse. So one more time, you have a left, right, left, chasse. Now, what's to understand here? Of course, the step structure. So our left leg moving forward, our right leg coming under with the Latin cross position with the heel up on the back leg, and our left leg slightly gonna go on the front, but slightly diagonal to allow this leg to move. So one more time, we have a left, right, left, chasse. Now, to remember, of course, number one, leg structure, we have our step structure. We have a step forward, we have a Latin cross position, we have step forward again. And the magic formula for how to move, which we, of course, describe later on. So you move your body, leg, then hip. Body, leg, then hip. Body, leg, then hip. Excellent. Let's try to demonstrate. Left, right, left, chasse. Exactly the same reverse angle. Left, right, left, chasse. So you have our left leg forward, right leg crossing behind Latin cross position, left leg forward, and now with the magic formula, body, leg, hip, body, leg, hip, body, leg, hip. Excellent. Let's move on now to the next chasse. It's going to be ronde chasse. So ronde chasse. So if we in check here, we have a ronde, so the left leg doing a small circle. Then you have a crossing behind, Latin cross position, continuous with the closing of the legs, and then replacing to the side. So this is a ronde chasse. So we start with the check. 2, this will be ronde chasse. Ronde, ronde, cha, cha, sa, ronde chasse. So what is the step structure? So our left leg doing a circle with a straight leg, circle. Then we have a Latin cross position behind. Then we have a closing of the legs diagonally together, 2 heels up, and then we have a replace to the side. So you go ronde chasse and cha, cha, 1, and again, and cha, cha, 1. So this is a ronde chasse. So what to remember here? Of course, the step structure that we have in a ronde, sometimes you can do on the bend, sometimes you can do on the straight. It depends on the personal style and feel. I like to do it on the straight legs. So the 2 knees straight, ronde means circle. Then you have a Latin cross position, knees together, here ball of the feet here, and then you have pushing from this leg going to the side. So this is a ronde chasse. What is the action secrets? Of course, the step is just a step. You have to already start implementing some body actions. So we have always, as with the ronde, we have body, hip, then leg. So we never start with the leg, we start with the body, diagonal line. Can explain in a drill section and technique section later. So body, hip, leg, body, hip, leg, body, leg, hip, and then you move on again. So you go body, leg, then hip, body, leg, then hip, body, leg, then hip. So in this structure, it's not easy to see as clearly as we were doing right to left, right chasse, because it was moving forward and back. It was much clearer. Here, it's more circular, but nevertheless, body initiate everything. So you go and ronde cha, cha, cha. And we can do exactly the same on the other leg. So if we're in the check position, we have ronde cha, cha, cha. And again, ronde cha, cha, cha. Let's do exactly the same reverse angle. So it's a ronde chasse. Ronde cha, cha, cha. And again, ronde cha, cha, cha. The same on the other side. We have a ronde cha, cha, cha. And we have a ronde cha, cha, cha. Very good. So let's move on to the next chasse, which is hip twist chasse. Hip twist chasse. So it starts from 2 feet together. We go switch cha, cha, and then landing side. So hip twist chasse Start from this position, flat, and try to use your upper body and lower body in a position to create that 90-degree position. Cha, cha, cha. So what is our step? So first of all, we have a hip twist with a 90-degree. Then you have feet closing here with one heel up, one heel down. Could be two heel up. It depends on how fast you go. And then we have a replace into the side step. So what is the body actions here? So number one here, understanding how to do a twist. So when you do twist from this, in a way, like a dead position, so you want to already have counterbalance before you'll do a hip twist. And because here you want to land with your shoulders totally facing front and hips there, so you're going to do, before you do it, you're going to do something opposite from that. You're going to send your hip to the right, your shoulders to the left, and then on the release, you'll have a great hip twist position. And then to continue with the chasse, you replace towards that front leg. And from here, using ball of the foot, do not put heel down, using ball of the foot, you will send yourself to the side. So first, of course, is a step structure. So we have 90-degree, we have together, we have side, and now we have a body action structure. So of course, besides doing that rotation, you want to initiate in the body, then leg, then hip, body. You always initiate body, leg, the hip. And here, even here, you initiate with the body, and then go side. So you don't want to just go side here. You want to have a little bit action ahead of the leg. So let's do exactly the same reverse angle. So hip to chasse. Cha, cha, cha. And one more time. Hip twist, chasse, cha, cha, cha. And use very, very a lot in many steps. Okay, now we're going to have left, right, left, back chasse or backward lock. So you go left, left leg going back, right, and now left leg going back, back chasse, left, right, left chasse. So you go left, right, left chasse. So what is the step structure? So we send our leg back with the high hip, ball of the foot, heel is up. Now right leg coming into Latin cross position, ball heel structure, footwork structure, and then here we're stepping back, ball heel. So this is left, right, left, back chasse, or we can call it also backward lock step. But if we call it left, right, left, then we know which leg goes first, which leg goes second. So left, right, left, chasse, back. So you go cha, cha, cha. Now, remember the step structure, the left leg going back, right leg crossing in front, the left leg heel still stay down, and then you replace into your normal back position. Now, how to do it? Remember body action. So first is the action, so the body should always going forward. Body. So whenever you move back, you want to send your body forward. Body, leg, hip. As always, body, leg, hip, body, leg, hip. So here on the back step, I'll let you explain technique video as you take this step. Because it's slightly diagonal, you can use your rib cage diagonal, then take a leg, then go back. The general rule, whatever you move forward, you move your body, then leg, then hip. When you move backward, you actually move your body also forward, then you're sending your center back. So you're sending your center back and keeping your body forward. But here on the last one, exit, you can do a little bit diagonal rib cage before that leg. So it's exactly the same reverse angle, left, right, left chasse. Left, right, left. And one more time, left, right, left. Now, you can do exactly the same on the other leg. It's called right, left, right chasse. Right, left, right. Exactly the same. So your right leg going back on the ball of the foot, left leg crossing in front, Latin cross position, right leg going back. So you go right, left, right chasse. So let's move on. So the next chasse is a compact chasse. So basically you stay in place and you're going cha, 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 1, cha, cha, 2, cha, cha, 3. So here is important to have a brushing in your leg. So you don't have really step. All you have is a body action, hip action. So your body represents that music. You go cha, 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 compact chasse. In technique video, excuse me, I will explain you more detail of this. And the last but not the least is called sleep chasse. So you send your leg back, you bring the other leg straight, as on mostly for the man, and then you replace. Sleep chasse. Cha, cha, cha. One more time. And cha, cha, cha. So basically you send your leg back with the high hip, you bring this leg under, and then you hear change. So this chasse, it's not too often used, but it still exists. Okay, in other videos, I will go more in detail about each chasse, how to do actions, how to do particular steps, but this is just introductory. With the chasses, we can create a lot of very, very cool choreographies and pieces for solo dancing or for couple dancing. Doesn't matter. Enjoy.